Simple tips to help you understand how to make money online. You may be interested in finding ways to make money online. The good news is that there are several options open to you. This video will provide you with some great ideas. It is then up to you to implement the ones into your life that seem most appropriate for your skills. Remember, making money online is a long-term game. Nothing happens overnight when it comes to online income. It takes time to build up your opportunity. Don't get frustrated. Work at it every single day, and you can make a big difference. Persistence and dedication are the keys to success. You can make money online by playing games. Farm Gold is a great site that you can log into and play fun games during the course of the day in your spare time. There are many games that you can choose from to make this a profitable and fun experience. Schedule yourself. You have to persevere to make money online. You won't get rich overnight. You will need to work every day. You need to have a time established daily for focused work. Just an hour each day can add up over time. Remember to create a budget before you start to work online. You need to know what your overhead will be it the cost of your computer and internet connection if your work will be completely totally virtually, or any supplies you need if your plan is to sell items online. Before you get started, determine the worth of your time. What is the least hourly wage you would accept? If you are willing to work for a small amount, you'll never be able to make more. People will take advantage of you. Never spend money to make money. A legit company won't ask for startup money. They will most likely take your cash and leave you with nothing. Avoid these scammers at all costs. Translate documents if you are fluent in a second language and want to make money on the side. Check out the freelancing sites to find people who will need things altered into a different language. This can be anyone from a large corporation to an individual who wants to translate something for a friend. Now that you have seen the different ways you can work online, you can choose which ones you want to pursue. Just think, you can make money right from your own home. So, get started making money online today. You will be glad that you made the decision to do this. Student loan.